We have never had this many COVID patients in the hospital at any point in the pandemic.
Illinois smashes its record for COVID hospitalizations.
Today, the governor announced new help for overwhelmed hospitals.
Sally Schulze reports.
Even in the darkest days of the pandemic, Illinois hospitals never had this many COVID patients.
This is the absolute highest number, and not just by a couple. Our previous totals have been smashed.
As of Tuesday night, more than 7,200 COVID patients were hospitalized, breaking the old record by more than 1,000. Add to that, overworked healthcare workers.
Pretty soon, we're not going to have staff to take care of you in the hospital if all of our staff are also out sick with COVID-19.
So Governor Pritzker says the state is deploying more than 2,000 healthcare workers to hospitals in need. Plus, they're created COVID reaction teams with about 575 additional workers and loosening rules so healthcare workers from other states or countries can help out because hospitals need bodies.
We have beds, like the physical bed, and a room. But if you don't have any staff, that's a useless location.
I was on a call with all the chief medical officers of the hospitals across the state today. They are all crying the same thing. They all need help.
And Dr. Ezike once again stressing the importance of getting vaccinated with this message for those who think catching COVID wouldn't be so bad.
I hear people say, oh, I know someone who had the vaccine and they still got sick. But please don't equate someone with a cough, runny nose, or sore throat to someone having to be admitted into the hospital and need precious hospital resources.
Ezike says out of the millions of vaccinated people in Illinois, less than 0.1% end up in the hospital. But of those crowding the hospitals now, more than 80% are unvaccinated. And she's not sure the Omicron surge has peaked. Sally Schulze, Fox 32, Chicago.